Hi friends! Today I want to share with you this product. This is a humidifier for home. I'm gonna open it with you and let me see and show you how it works. Here in this box have this user manual. Okay. This bag. And look at this. I think that the design is beautiful because you can put it in any place of your home and looks elegant, looks sober, and definitely is good accessory for your home. If you need to humidify your home or your bedroom, your office, you can use it in a large room. The effect of this product feels so good in the air of your home, and have three modes you can use it. That is like humidity mode, plant mode, and sleep mode. The best part is that have this box. Look. Have a box for aromatherapy, so you can use it with a good smell too. Came with this cable that is for charging for the function. So let me connect it. So we want to put some water inside, so that helps us to see how it works. So I have some water here, and I'm gonna put it inside of my humidifier. You can put it, carry on your humidifier with this and go for water with him. Now, as I say, one of the best things of this humidifier is that you can put some essential oils in it using this accessory. This is so easy to install. And came with his control too. So you can use the control, or your humidifier have voice control too. That's a great detail about the product. And you can use a timer and a dual 360 rotation nozzle. And now we're gonna see how it works. Put this here. You can check the level of water in this part that is transparent. And now we're gonna put this again, and I'm turning on with this button, and as you can see, the magic is happening right here. So you can use this to harmonize the air in your home, your bedroom, or wherever. And you can select here the sleep mode or the plant mode. You can select all the options that you need, and you can use a timer. So 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours. And that's great because you can use it without worries about the function, because this turned off by herself. So the best for these humidifiers is the huge capacity that they have, and this can work for 55 hours in a large room. That's incredible. And you can cover a surface of 484 feet. So I highly recommend this product if you need to humidify your home or have a better quality of the air in your space. This product is for you. See you.